Hey y'all, I'm Kenzie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I did these super cute mini twists with a design in the front. I love the way this turned out. So for this look, I added human hair extensions from YWigs. They sent over 3 bundles of their 22-inch spring hair twist texture. Each bundle was full and the hair was really soft and defined, which I loved. Moving on to the installation process, I wanted to do a design in the front and I did my mini twist in the back. So I started off by doing a middle part, and then I'm going to break these sections into 2. And for this tutorial, I washed and blow dried my hair so it is nice, detangled, blow dried, and ready to go. After I get this section sorted out, I'm going to be starting on the back half first. I do have a parting tutorial on my page if you guys are interested in seeing how I part my hair for protective styles, but basically I like to do the stack method where your parts don't line up equally, they kind of stack on top of each other. And I kept my sections pretty small because I wanted my hair to be nice and full, especially since I'm doing a design in the front. So the smaller the sections, the more twists we'll be able to do. And to do the actual twist, I like to grab a small piece of the hair and I like to fluff it up a little bit, so I just used a brush and brushed through it. Then I sectioned off the area that I'm going to be working with, and whenever I do twists, I like to braid my hair at the root and then I braid in the extra hair and then I begin twisting. And this just gives me a lot more security. And I'll show another example, but basically I just braid my hair down and then I take a piece of the extension hair, I braid that in with my hair down for a little bit, and then I combine the pieces and begin twisting. And whenever I start the twist, I like to do like this twirling motion just to kind of wrap my hair up with the mini twist hair. And I also take a little bit of edge control on my fingers just to make everything stay in place and lay down really nice and neat. And whenever you're twisting, you'll kind of feel which way you need to twist. Like if you try to twist a certain way and the hair feels like it's like fluffing up and like not laying down in place the right way, then I would say to start twisting the other way, because you can definitely tell a difference. So once you have that figured out, it is a piece of cake, honestly. And I'm going to speed through this one. The next one that I'm going to show you guys is going to be a lot more detailed and we'll really break down and get into how I add the extension hair. Alright, so for this one, it's pretty much the same process. We're going to go ahead and part it and section off the area that we're going to be working with. And then I went ahead and added some edge control to the root of the hair. And then I braided it down. Once I felt like it was braided down enough, I just kind of paused, and then I placed the extension hair in between these two fingers, and then I continued braiding down. Once I have the hair braided in, I begin twisting, and like I said, I just pick up some of that edge control and twist the hair around my fingers to make sure everything sticks together and it's nice and neat, and I just twist it down until I get to the end. And for the next few clips, I'm going to be repeating that same process. on to the front, I saw a couple different inspo pics on Pinterest, so I just kind of combined a bunch of different looks together, and this is what I came up with. I will be doing a more in-depth tutorial on this design over on my TikTok and Instagram, so definitely go and follow me at KNZYRay over there if you want to see how I did this design. But for the most part, it definitely wasn't as hard as it looks. It just involves a lot of parting. It's really easy if you already know how to scalp braid. The parting is probably going to be the most difficult part for you, but I thoroughly enjoyed it. I always like to challenge myself and see what I can do, so this was fun for me. And y'all, here is the finished look. I am so obsessed with how these mini twists turned out. This is my first time trying mini twists, and I'm so happy that I did it with the extensions, because honestly I have fine hair, and honestly if you just need some length or anything, I highly recommend using some extensions. This hair was really easy to work with. I love the curl pattern. It's soft and it just looks so nice. Like, I love it. And again, the hair is from YWigs. It's their human hair extensions in 22 inches and the texture spring twist. So I definitely recommend checking them out. I'll have all of the information down in my description box. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below if you'll be rocking some mini twists. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.